Alright, welcome into the show. Creative Crypto here, and the time has come. This is the video where I will be randomly selecting the giveaway winners from my last recorded video celebrating hitting over 4,000 subscribers. Thank you again to all the support and great comments and thumbs up you guys are sharing with me on the channel. I really do appreciate it, and I wouldn't be making videos without you guys watching and commenting and showing your support. So thank you very much. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video where I will be picking the winner using this random number picker. I'm going to put in how many entries we got and select 3 winners off this wheel. So you don't want to miss it. Make sure you stay tuned for the whole video. You will see that at the end. But first, guys, I got to talk about Solplantation and the SOUP token. And then we're going to get into the main content of this video, which is checking out Zelfiguru Premium. And I want to show you guys some of the exciting updates that they have there with Zelfiguru, and also what kind of value you can expect if you sign up for their premium subscription. We'll look for wallets, we'll scan some wallets, I'll show you my copy trading results, I'll scan my own wallet and show you guys proof in the pudding that I am making profit, and also I will show you the new bot settings that I'm using. I know I've been tinkering with it a lot here on the channel, and I'm getting back to the basics, back to what worked, because that bot was pumping out consistent, great copy trades for a long time. And then we hit a little bit of a rough patch with the Solana congestion issue, and I think just the Trojan bot in general is gaining a lot of popularity, because it really is the only copy trading bot on Solana with a very easy to use interface and one that actually works. Now, of course, you do run into slippage issues sometimes and gas issues, and sometimes transactions don't get processed. That's more of a new type of issue. That issue wasn't happening when I first started using it, and that's just mainly the last couple weeks or so. But I have been seeing much better profits the last few days. And I really think the transactions going through and being submitted successfully is correlated to the wallet that you are copy trading. Because right now I'm copy trading 2 wallets. I'm copy trading this wallet that I found in one of my early videos showing you guys how to find profitable Solana wallets and copy trade. This whale trader has been doing insanely well still here on the channel, and even yesterday they were picking up this char token way before their pump happened, and we got a 400% gain on that. So if you're still copy trading this copy trader, I definitely recommend it, because it seems like they've switched their style from quick pump and dumps to accumulation. They've really been accumulating some really nice meme coin gem plays, and a lot of them are up 200, 300, 400%. So that is really awesome to see, guys. Let's jump back here real quick. I just want to touch on Solplantation, and then we're going to jump into Zelfiguru and looking for wallets. Because since my last video, Solplantation did hit 100% bonding curve on pump.fun. So it was a pump.fun success story. As you can see, my last video, we were about right over here range. Okay, so you guys that accumulated here, congratulations. And those that bought in over here, so our price is about right here. So yeah, 3x or so. So what this Solplantation project was all about, guys, is it was an experiment at the end of the day. I wanted to document publicly on a YouTube video how creating a pump.fun token worked, a demo on how to create it, and track the progress in the journey to see how it went, to show people and people interested in creating their own meme coin kind of the process and the journey that a meme coin takes here on pump.fun. What you can expect if you are thinking about launching a pump.fun token. Because I think that's just a really cool thing to document, because you can watch the whole journey. You can see from start when I first created it, you can see midway here when we got the huge pump and then it kind of settled out, and then finally when we hit the 100% bonding curve, and then we got listed on Radium, and therefore we're also listed on Dex Screener. It's basically kind of like a public documentary in a way, to where I am documenting the journey along the way here of each step of creating a meme coin, and the struggles and the wins and the good times, the bad times, everything in between. That's all I'm sharing here with this meme coin. I will say as well that I've pumped more money into this than I originally planned on doing. And the reason why is because I feel for the people that got in up here. I really do, guys. I feel for you that got in up here. I feel for you that got in up here, even up here. Okay, I feel for you guys. And I want to continue to try to grow this thing to where anybody that got in early here on Radium or from pump.fun are in profit. Now, that's not going to be easy. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to be a process, and I'm learning along the way. I'm in no way an expert at creating meme coins, guys. This is the first time I've ever created one. I really didn't know what to expect. I thought there was a chance we could hit 100% bonding curve, but after that, I didn't know what to expect here when we got on Radium. And I've been watching other meme coins along the way that come out of pump.fun, and I kind of saw what they were doing. And whether I missed the ball or I didn't know what to do, is when you first got listed on Radium, I guess the trend is that the creator of the coin and the community, they go on a live stream, whether it's a Twitter Spaces or live chat in the Telegram or either one. It seems like the coins that do that right when they get listed on Radium end up pumping more. And unfortunately, it was just bad timing for me because I had stayed up till 5 a.m. the night before. I was literally on 5 hours of sleep, got back on the computer, and I saw that we were getting super close to the bonding curve. And I continued to help those guys with marketing in the Telegram and doing the Twitter raids and everything they were doing in there because I really wanted to hit that goal for everybody to get on Radium. And then once we got on Radium, which was about 1 or 2 p.m. my time, okay, so here's the time frame for me. I stayed up till 5 a.m. in the morning. I got 5 hours of sleep. I woke up at 10 a.m., continued to grind and market this from 10 a.m. till about 2 p.m. until we finally hit 100% bonding curve. From that point, I was getting all the stuff ready to get onto Deck Screener. I was running into a little bit of issue with this here. It was just not getting the right size and it was messing up, so it was taking me some time because I'd never done this before, so I'm trying to rush it out. Everybody's panicking, like the images in and out, and then where's the live stream and this and that. And I was honestly exhausted. I hadn't eaten all day, and I just needed to eat some food and just kind of just take a break for a second. And of course, because of that, it kind of just stalled out our token. And finally, when I got on the live stream, I guess the momentum had died down and it was just too late. So that's unfortunate because I really didn't know how important that would have been. And even still, I don't think I was even capable to get on a live stream at that point, guys. Like, I was literally on empty, and it really probably wouldn't have been any good. Okay, so either way, we were a success here, a pump.fun success. We're not looking too bad, guys. The SOL that we have still in liquidity is strong. Okay, we're down a little less than 50%. We started with about 94, 95 SOL in the pool of liquidity. So we are still holding strong, guys, and what we need to do is we just need to find some support here on the chart. Okay, we just need to find a good support level and kind of do something like this. Okay, this is what we kind of do. Kind of just need to go a little bit choppy here, find some support. Okay, it's going to take some time, and then slowly just start coming back up. Okay, that's what we need to do, guys. And that can happen. There's no doubt in my mind that it will happen. And I'm going to continue to try to do some marketing and things to grow this. Okay, it's going to be a process, guys. Like I said, I'm no expert in marketing meme coins by any stretch. I'm learning along the way. And like I said, this is all a documentation for future people. They can come back here and watch these videos and see the documentation of what I did wrong, what I did right, and they can learn from it. And then maybe when they launch their meme coin, they can have a better result than this, even though I think this is still a success because I can't control people that bought in up here and bought in up here, even though I still want to help pump this to get it back to our all-time high, which was about $90,000 market cap. I think we're very capable of getting to 100,000, 200,000 market cap within the next couple months. I think that is still in the cards. Now, of course, that's going to also help with Solana price pumping as well here pretty soon. Solana's been on a correction the last couple of days, as I predicted here in one of my previous videos showing you guys how I made this bar trend pattern, and then I drew these lines in the live stream showing that there's a possibility that we're not going to dump down here, but we did dump down. Okay, we did continue to follow the bar trend pattern. So a few people on my live stream said they were going to go short on Solana, so congrats to that because you did hit a short. Now there was a short squeeze right here which probably screwed over some traders, because that's a 4% short squeeze, so anybody on high leverage probably got liquidated there. And then the dump happened back down, 14, 15%. So that's why it's tricky, guys. What I recommended in the live stream was, instead of shorting, I was going to put a buy right here and then another buy right here. Not high leverage, very low leverage, and just enough to get a few ladders in here. This position will be a bigger buy than this position. So if we did dump down here, this position will be bigger. So then when it does rebound, I'm going to make even more. And if this position is on leverage and we dump down here and it picks up a buy at this position, then it's going to help with my liquidation price, and it's probably going to be way down there. So just something to think about, guys. And we can see that if this trend continues, we're going to be back up here at about $250, $260. around the end of June. So about 2 months from now, could potentially see a nice pump from this position up about 100%. So that means this liquidity in here, this market cap, this liquidity as well will double. So that's just will double on its own without any other volume and accumulation coming into this. So just something to think about, guys, because, if we go back and look at the best meme coins here lately, there is a stalling out period. This is bonk. This is the classic bonk, okay? They had a nice little run and then a correction, and it took them about 266 days, close to 1 year, before they had their huge breakout. And imagine if you had accumulated some bonk down here, okay, you would have made 10,000% gains, which is 100x. So that just goes to show you guys that, accumulation when it's on the lows is the time to do it. Here's another example, Pepe. You can see had a nice run up, then some consolidation back down, and then just a lull period for a little bit. From here to when it started pumping again was about 245 days. So give or take. So if that happens with Soup Token, I'm okay with waiting that long, guys. This is no rush for me. This isn't just a quick pump and dump coin, okay? If we continue a same type of trend and it's going to take us 240 days, well, you know what? Well, I'm okay with waiting, close to a year for 100x if we can get to 100x. And it's not going to take that much to get to 100x. We would just need to get to a $1.7 million market cap to get to 100x. So this is still a potential 100x coin, guys. And, if you guys want to just hold it and put a little bit in here, that's up to you. I'm holding my coins. I haven't dumped a single coin. And I want to show you guys also on the scanners how there's some incorrect data being shown on these blockchain scanners for Solana. I'm going to show you guys that real quick right now. For example, this one here, this is Sol Scanner. This is the most popular one that people use. You can scan tokens. And this was a recent scan here a couple days ago. But you can see that it's showing dev wallet with 88% airdrops. That's 100% incorrect data. And I have reached out to the Sol Scanner team and inputted a feedback form to get them to try to fix whatever this is displaying, because this is not accurate. If you click on the dev wallet, which is my wallet over here, okay, right here, you can clearly see I received the 150 million Solplantation tokens. I burned 100 million of those, sent it out to a different wallet, and then burned it from there. Because the burner I was using, you can only burn all or nothing from your holdings. So I need to transfer it to a different wallet. This 10 million I sent out to a marketer to help get us from pump.fun to Radium, and he did that. So thank you for that. I wish he was still around. He kind of just was in and out. It was the craziest thing. Just some random message on Telegram. Kind of, I was feeling the guy out. Seemed like he was trustworthy. All he wanted was 1% of the token, which was 10 million tokens. So I transferred it out to him. And then right after I did that, all of a sudden, we just started getting a bunch of momentum and just a bunch of people buying the token. And it was incredible. But then like 2 or 3 hours after that, the guy disappeared and deleted all of his messages and dumped our token, which was kind of strange to me because I'm wondering why he did that. Because originally he said he wanted to be on the team and to help market this and get this to a multi-million-dollar market cap. And so I was pumped up. I was like, man, this never happens, Usually when people message you on Telegram, it's just all scammers, which I've been scammed lately, actually, on a couple, and that's been a big mistake. So I'm not doing that anymore. That was just a one-time thing where it ended up working out. But yeah, you can't trust people that message you on Telegram. I don't recommend it. It was a big risk doing that. But he actually showed me what he was going to do before I paid him. So that's what you really have to do with a lot of these people that message you on Telegram. Don't pay them first. Make them show you what they're going to do for marketing. And then if you like what they're doing, pay them. And that's what I did. And it worked out. It got us on Radium. But now it's the real challenge because we need to figure out a way to incentivize people to come in and acquire this token. Why are they going to buy this on Radium right now? Okay, there was FOMO to get it on pump.fun because you could get in early and get it before Radium. Now that it's on Radium, the challenge is getting the FOMO back into this and how we're going to do it. So there's different ways I was thinking about. The first way was setting up my own Trojan trading bot strictly for this Solplantation, to where the profits earned from that, I will take those, buy up soup on the market, and then burn it. Therefore, constantly decreasing the supply and keeping it a deflationary meme coin, because you don't see deflationary meme coins on the market right now, guys. I really don't see any. So I think that'll set us apart. And then also coming up with some type of utility and use case for the SOUP token, that as well will help drive up price and drive up volume. So those are the things I need to brainstorm and think about when I have time. I really didn't plan on putting so much time and effort into this. I'm kind of putting more time and effort and resources into this than I originally planned, because I just feel pressure to do it, because I want to make this a success for people that got in at the top or people that are still holding like myself. Because I told you guys in a live stream that I ended up buying more tokens way up here when we were at about the 96% bonding curve level. When we were on this dip right here, I was like, oh no, don't tell me we're going to dump down. So I bought right here, okay, and then it helped kind of propel us back up and then got us here. But the tokens I bought up here are about at a 50% decrease. Not too bad, 50% down. I know there's some people in the Telegram that are also down a little bit with the coin as well. Some people are still up. A lot of people are still up with this, and they're still holding. So thank you for that, for continuing to hodl. It's really up to you, though. If you guys want to see this coin go further, it's really in your hands. You guys are deciding the fate with this. If you guys decide you don't like this coin and you don't want to do anything more with this, and it just continues to dump and dump and dump, then the market will have spoken, and that will have shown me that you guys don't like this coin and you just want to get out. Hopefully that's not the case, because I will continue to hold no matter how low it goes, and I will be the last one to sell out of here, guys, if I ever do. So I just want to give you guys the quick overview here with Solplantation, because it is an interesting thing. It was fun to launch a meme coin. Will I do it again? Probably not. I don't think so. But in all, I am glad I did it, because it is something that was an insane experience. Seeing the initial demand for the coin was very cool, and then seeing this huge pump was amazing. We almost hit it in 24 hours, and then seeing the consolidation happen, and then seeing the second wave up was something I will never forget. It's something that was truly incredible, and something that you really can't experience unless you really get in and create one of these meme coins. So I don't regret making it at all. I don't regret the decision to do that. I do regret a little bit of the decision afterwards with the radium listing and just kind of things I wasn't educated on and how I could help pump this more. Those are things I have to learn and get better at. And I will. But like I said, launching another one, probably not, but you really never know, guys. I really just want to see this one get to its full potential. I don't want to sit here and dilute myself with making anything else. I just want to stick with this one, see if we can get this thing to $1 million market cap, and just see what happens, guys. See if we can come up with some type of use case, some type of utility. That'll be truly amazing. All right, guys, moving on to the Zelfiguru premium channel. So if you guys are in Zelfiguru and you guys paid for the premium subscription to get the unlimited bot scans, you also get access to this Telegram group. Now, this group has a lot of great information here, guys. Okay, we'll start with the flood room. This is basically the community chat. Come in here, talk about different things, kind of learn from the people in here and see what they're doing and kind of get some pointers and tricks. And I do like to just kind of come in here and read through the chat and see, what people are having issues with, what things are happening, and see if I can come up with any good strategies or tips to help my own process and my own trading journey. Okay, so that number one is really great for itself. This gamble trades section basically are gamble trades on, I think, new listings, because they're photon listings, I believe. Now, a lot of these are probably rugs and scams, so you really have to do your best, but they kind of filter it out for you, putting the green and the yellow there. So some of these could be good. I haven't tried trading off of this. This is more for the manual trader that wants to trade manually. I'm more of just the copy trading type and swing trading type on my own. But this could be good for somebody that wants to take a gamble and maybe you find a brand new coin on here that does well. What you can really do is go back and back check a lot of these and see when they gave the signal, and then see how the coin's doing and see if there is potential profit to be made here. Can you make profit with some of these coins? Okay, so you have to just go back and back test a lot of these first, and then you can see, okay, some of these are winning. So maybe if I just pick the right one, I could make some profit. So this is something, when I have more time, I may dive into even more. Okay, this is the FOMO room. This is where they post results and things. Okay, so getting some good results on the copy trades. So what I like about this is you can see what are the hot coins in the market. And also the advantage of looking at these is you can see what coins are doing well. So therefore, you can go and try to find these coins on Deck Screener and look at the top traders with this, and you can find the same copy trader wallets potentially that these people are getting these profits from. Okay, that is how you reverse engineer some of this stuff. And we'll do a test right here, guys. We'll do a test. We'll do this one. No, we won't do that one. That's kind of a not a great name to have on the channel. So let's keep going here. Oh, here's a nice one. Okay, so let's see this one because this guy got 1600%. That's a 16x. So kind of a long name, but this looks like potential snipe. So let's type it in over here on Deck Screener. Okay, here it is, and it's another not very nice name. But either way, it looks like this was just a quick pump and dump. Let's go to the 1 second chart. And you can see how this coin looked. So let's actually just go to the 1 minute chart. It's too much there on the 1 second. So wow, what the heck is this? Okay, so as you can see, this is just a big time rug pump and dump, but people did make profit, and it looks like a sniper probably, because this guy was holding for 15 minutes. I'm not sure that's even real. Let's go back here. 15-minute hold duration. I don't see how that's even possible because this thing dumped down in literally 15 minutes. Unless, I don't know. I really don't know what to make of that. So that one, I don't know if this guy is photoshopping this or what. This looks real to me, but yeah, I don't see how that's possible on the chart. Unless this is the wrong symbol. But it doesn't appear so because it appears to be the right time frame and everything else. So he held for 15 minutes. That just doesn't seem right because there's no way that profit can be made in 15 minutes. He would have had to held for literally, if he got in right here on a snipe or something, you're rarely ever going to get down here on a snipe. You're probably, most times you get up here on the snipe. So you basically lose money. Okay, most snipers, bots get up here unless you're really paying for super crazy gas and have a super crazy sniper bot. You can maybe get like over here. So this one definitely is fake, I think. What happens as well is, and I've noticed it, is when coins rug out and it's still showing, a market cap and a value of a coin, sometimes it'll show that in here. Sometimes you're still able to get this card here. So you really want to verify actual trading logs, which is what I've shown you guys when I've had big trades. Actual trading logs of buying and selling, because some of these could be actually fake, guys. So you really have to do your research. That's why you do the research. Let's check out this one, CN Yellow. Let's see if that one is any better. All right, looks like this one. This is the CZ coin. Yeah, the CZ. Okay, so this one's a hot one today. So this one's more realistic because this one definitely has potential to make that profit. So 10-minute hold duration, basically 200% profit. Yes, that is 100% legit. Could easily have made some nice profit even if you got in down here. Imagine that. That's where your 16% comes in. So unless this isn't the same one, is it? CN Yellow. No, see, it's different. Different symbol. So yeah, I don't know. This guy's trying to just look cool with that one. 100% not possible with that trade. But this trade, yes, this trade is definitely possible. So now what you can do is you can come over here and let's check out the top traders. And let's see who was able to get in on this early. And then we can run their wallets through Zelfiguru. And then maybe find a potential gem of a wallet. So like this one looks pretty good. Let's see what this, so you can actually click on this, guys, and then it'll show you their transactions. So they actually did buy 3 times. So let's go back to a couple of these ones. Here we go, 2 transactions. Let's see this one. So yeah, 2 buys and 3 sells. And then also it pulls it up on the chart so you can see where they actually bought in. So they bought in here not super early, so this person probably isn't a sniper. They just got in at a good time. So that's good. I like seeing that. So let's then dive in deeper to this wallet and we can see what's going on here. So we'll check this wallet here. Just click on that. This is a semi-pro NFT trader. So whenever they have those tags, guys, I've noticed that these traders are very difficult to follow and copy trade, and they don't have that much soul that they're trading with. They're trading off a USD tether. So unfortunately, this type of copy trader, we won't be able to copy trade because it looks like a lot of their trades, they're trading with USDT. Let's see what they did with the CZ coin. What did they use? Oh no, they did use wrap SOL. So they're just keeping their SOL tethered, I guess, until they're ready to make trades. So that's okay. So let's actually just run this through a scan. All right, guys, so this is a great time to show you the new updates here. This is in beta testing. This is their beta testing bot. And what's cool about this is you don't have to put the /check. You just paste in the wallet and then it will start running a scan. Now what this does is it's actually running the last 30-day trading history. So you are getting much more data and much more analysis on this wallet than just the last 7 days. So this actually provides you with much more research and statistics on these wallets to see if they were just a hot trader the last week, or if this is actually a consistent winning trader that I will want to continue to copy trade. And the results are in, guys. This guy is not a great trader. They just got super, super lucky. And even still getting lucky with this coin, they're still losing huge. You can see 4,800 Solana this wallet has lost. So this wallet is absolutely not a great trader, guys. And you can see how Zelfiguru saves you, okay? Because if you had just come in here, deck screener, and you just came over here and looked at that wallet and you go, man, this guy made a ton on this coin. This guy must be a great trader. And you just start copy trading, you're going to get yourself wrecked. That's why you need to have these type of tools to be able to look more into these wallets and determine if this is something that you actually want to copy trade. And just a quick scan of this one, as you can clearly see, that you don't want to touch this wallet with a 10-foot pole, okay, let alone even trying to copy trade it at all. So that's just an example, guys, on how you can actually look into these coins and these wallets and do your own research on that. And it takes time, guys. It takes time to do some digging and try to look for a gem wallet. You're not going to find one on your first attempt. Okay, it's never on your first attempt. You have to constantly look and dig and just take some chances and find some wallets, and eventually you will stumble across a gem wallet. This one is ask for contracts to be checked. So I don't think they're actually utilizing this one. Oh, they are kind of. So basically they're sending this over here to check these wallets. I don't know where the actual results from this go. Let's read the pin message. Always read the pin message, guys, in this. Don't post contract addresses in this thread. Each day we'll be taking best performing contract addresses and posting them. Okay, so they're going to do it that way, so that's awesome. So yeah, this is a great way to potentially find gems. Let's see what this one was that they posted. This was from today. Let's see what this coin is. So this is the Professor. Okay, interesting. Pretty healthy, pretty nice market cap already. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks like a nice one. So when did they actually post that? Because this coin is 4 days old. Okay, so they posted that today. So let's change to the hourly candles here, and you can see from right around here, I believe, is where they posted. Let's see. So 8:30 p.m. my time, which is about 3 hours ago. So 3 hours ago, yeah, you still could have caught a nice pump on here, it looks like. It looks like it'd be right around here is where they posted it. So you could have made 30%. I mean, I'll take it. 30% on a coin. Who knows? This could be a long-term gem play. I'd never seen this coin. It's pretty interesting to look at. This one has the ads here, so they are advertising. I did try doing that with Solplantation, but I think my budget was too small because I only was able to do the 10,000 views, and it really didn't help at all. It was actually a waste. So I don't recommend doing that unless you can pay for a big amount of marketing. Check out this one. This was from almost a day ago. Okay, let's see if this one performed well and had a nice pump. This is Dog with Hat 2.0. Interesting. Created 5 days ago. So they posted that about 19 hours ago. So we need to go about 19 hours or so. So yeah, see, that one was on the top. So yeah, you never want to buy, guys, when you see a chart like this. Okay, when you see like this huge run up, don't buy up here. Do not buy up there. Okay, wait for the correction. Wait till you see, even if you want to see this first green candle right here, buy right here. This is where you want to buy. Okay, wait to see the run out, wait to see it bleed out, and then when it starts correcting back up, that's where you want to buy. Put in your buy right here, make your 30%, and call it a day, guys. This type of trading strategy will be for the manual trader, and you can do this strategy with the Trojan trading bot. That's what makes it so versatile, is you can have a manual trading strategy with it where you get these coins and you look for entry points, and you have it manually set in your bot to where all you got to do is buy the coin and then set up your take profit levels. And when it hits, for example, 30%, it'll automatically just sell it for you. You don't have to do anything else with the bot and constantly be checking it and seeing what the price is. You basically just lock it in, you set up your take profit levels, and you let the bot do its work. So that's something I will be exploring more, of course, and something that I need to put some more time into, because I think there's a great potential for this. Because if you can make 30% a day, guys, think about it. Let's say you're trading 1 sol for each time. So you're trading 1 sol per trade. So if you make 30%, that's 0.3 sol. If you're able to do that per day, 0.3 sol per day, and you're able to do that consistently for a month period, that's 9 sol. And let's say half of those trades didn't work out. Well, you would be making 4.5 sol. So that'd be a 400% gain in a month. So pretty sweet. So there is potential there, guys, for manual trading with the Trojan trading bot. And again, utilizing something in the Zelfiguru Premium. So I like this because they're doing the hard work for you guys. It's hard work finding these coins and sifting through and filtering these out. So they are presenting these coins for you, but don't just take their word for it. You need to look at the chart and see. For example, this one. This one was not a good buy opportunity right when they posted it, but it did become a good buy opportunity later down the line. So just something to look at, guys. Okay, we go down here to the profitable wallet section. Now, the profitable wallet section is where they are posting profitable wallets that they come across and find. Okay, now some of these aren't making very many trades. Some of these I personally wouldn't copy trade because I want to see a copy trader with a long standing history. Now, some of these actually, for example, this one. This could be a new trader or somebody that started using a new wallet and they're copy trading. So I just want to see some consistent daily results. I don't want to see something looking like this, where it's like one green and then like nothing. Okay, I want to see something with consistent returns and consistent results. So this one's interesting. Let's dive more into this wallet and see what they actually are trading. Bring it up over here in a different window. Okay, so they only got 1 sol, so pretty light on the sol. And so this trader, I'm not too sure. Let's see how they did on this one. 2 sol plus 1 sol, so that's 3, and they got back 1.5. So they lost 50%. Let's see this one. 5 sol plus 4, that's 9, turned into 3.4. So yeah, not the best results there. See this one. 1.5 sol turned into 1.2 sol, so still losing. And 2 sol to 8. So this one saved them, but I don't think it made up for all the losing ones. Let's just go to the next page and see if we got some other ones in here. So 5 sol plus 5, that's 15. That's 10 plus 2, that's 12. And they sold it for 3. So yeah, this trader is a no-go for me. That's what we got to continue doing, guys. So I want to just, here we go. This is a much better looking one. Okay, I want to see somebody that trades every single day and that has nice profits. So we can see that most of their profits are in the 2x range. Now they do have 6% in the 5x or more and 14% in the 2 to 5x. So that's actually not bad. They have a 61% win rate with a 53% ROI. And they've profited over 500 sol in the last 30 days. Their snipe percentage is low, so most likely you will be able to copy trade this trader. Very low, didn't buy tokens. That's a good one. First trade was sell. That's very low as well. So this one's got potential, guys. Let's see what this one looks like. They actually have 128 sol in their wallet. So yeah, I'm liking what I see here with this one. All right, this one looks more promising. Let's see their recent trades. So they swapped, what is that, 1.9. So right away, guys, this is not going to be able to copy trade because they're transferring out the token. So unless that one's just a one-time deal, let's see what they did with some of these other ones. 1.98 for 1.96. Okay, so they got into the CZ coin. Let's see if they made money on that. 2.97 for 5.1. That's a good one. And then they did it again. They doubled down on the trade. They put in 2.97 for 4.5. So that's some nice trades there for the CZ coin. Let's see this one, Superman Ape. So they put in 4.95 and they got out 4.7. So about a break even on that one. Let's check out these two, 4.95. So about 9.8 and they got back 9.1. So they lost a little bit there. Let's check out this one. This was a transfer again. So you're not going to be able to trade that because they're transferring it out for some reason. And then they have a lot of just coins that they sold. So that can happen, guys, because the way that they're filtering out wallets, okay, is they're just filtering out by the stats. And that's what the new update is actually going to provide more information here in the profitable wallet section. That's another thing I want to touch on, because what they're doing here is they're finding these wallets just based on an algorithm that they're running, and they're actually just pulling this data and they're just seeing if this is a profitable wallet, and it is. But you can clearly see that a lot of these are just coins that I don't know where they're getting these from. But this isn't the type of history that you want to see when you are copy trading somebody. Okay, so I don't know what this guy's doing, but yeah, this is not a good one either. Which is okay, guys, because if you think you're just going to get Zelfiguru Premium and you're going to come into the profitable wallet section and you're just going to find the best wallet to trade, that's probably unrealistic. Now, I'm not saying that can't happen. That can happen. You can stumble across a great wallet and actually find something potentially in here. Now, personally, I haven't dove into this profitable wallet section as much as I should because I tend to just like to find my own wallets with my own methods. But if you want to save some time and just sift through this, you can potentially find it. But you're not just going to be able to just look at this and then decide to copy trade. You need to actually click on the wallet and then go look into it deeper and see if this is actually something that is copy tradable. Okay, this wallet, for example, let's see how they did the last couple of trades. So they swapped 0.49 for 2.27, so that's a losing trade. 0.94 for 0.44. So losing trades. 4.95. There's a little bit of profit there. 0.49. So that's a double up right there. 0.94. So yeah, this one's interesting. I like that they just make one trade. Okay, they're not dollar cost averaging and buying up a bunch of positions. So they're not going to take up a lot of your funds into these trades. They're going to be in and out, one trade to one trade. So that's a good one. That was a nice double up right there. Lifegird, let's see. So it looks like they're always trading with 0.49. So let's just look at the sells and see. Okay, so that's a double up. There's a pretty close to double up. Baby Pepe, 0.24. So it looks like they lost on that one. Let's check one more page. Sad Shrimp. So that's a double up. Looks like this guy just goes for the double ups, which is fine. Okay, consistent double ups ain't bad. So yeah, this would be an interesting wallet because, like I said, I like that they just get one position in, one position out. So let's go back and look more into their stats. So they have a win rate of 70%, 54% ROI. They've made 37 SOL in the last 30 days, so they're making more than 1 SOL per day. And they're only trading with, what, 3 SOL, 1 SOL? Pretty good, pretty damn good. Okay, the losing section is at 30%, so that's not too bad. So they have a lot more winners, guys. This is actually a pretty good wallet. Their holding time is about 20 minutes and only 4% snipes, and first trade with sell only 1%. So actually, this is a gem wallet here, guys, and I like this, okay? This wallet is a scalper, okay? They've labeled it as a scalper. So this wallet, I've seen enough, and I would take a flyer on it because I think it's worth it to take a flyer. I'm actually going to add it into my portfolio here at the end of the video. So we'll go back to that. I'll save this wallet over here, and I'll add it to the copy trade bot. So you can see, guys, there is value in here. You just have to be able to sift through it and be able to find the value. There is value in this premium group. Now, if you're looking at snipes, this is where they post snipes in here. You can actually look at different snipes. I'm experimenting with snipes right now. I'm still kind of trying to see what works, what doesn't work, what bots are good, what bots aren't good. So when I find something that is suitable to share on the channel, I will share with you guys what I find with sniper bots and see if any of these are good to snipe. You know, this one looked good. Okay, this one had a lot of thumbs up. We can actually click on this and open it up in a deck screener and see if this coin did anything. Okay, this is Dune. Let's see if this had a good start of the chart, if it was snipeable. So it was, guys. It was a definite snipeable coin. Okay, so if you're able to snipe it, like I said, you're probably going to get up here and you could be able to make 100%. But with snipers, you only need to make like 30%, guys. That's the sweet spot, 30%. Because it's potential that your sniper could buy way up here, and then, you know, still have a little bit of room for growth. So this one was a success. So nice. I do like seeing that, guys. So there is good ones in here, okay? But there is bad ones as well. As you can see, a lot of thumbs down. I like how they give the feedback here. You can see which ones were good, which ones were bad. This one looks like it was another good one. But you do have to be careful, guys, because if you think you're just going to come in here and copy these snipes in here and make some money, it's not guaranteed. You know, it could happen, but you could also lose money just as easily. So you really need to make sure you know what you're doing and test these strategies before you actually copy trade or actually snipe in this case. So once I'm more confident in sniping and things like that, I will talk about on the channel. So for right now, I'm still in the testing phase. This is where they post potential gems in here. This is something that could be potential long-term gems and different things here, okay? So this is more on the ETH side here. And they give nice little write-ups on it and stuff as well. This guy's the creator of Zelfiguru PRO, okay? So this guy is pretty smart, guys, and shares a lot of great information. Okay, so they got a nice stuff going on there. And let me go over this announcement section because this is what I was talking about to begin the video on what they're going to be doing here. Okay, so the big updates here is to the bot. So number one, like I said, it checks for 30 days. You don't need to put /check. And they're going to have an auto checker function as well. Okay, they're going to filter out profitable wallet here. They're going to have something called the auto checker, guys. Okay, I need to get more information about what this is. But all in all, I do like how they're continuing to develop and continuing to push out new updates for Zelfiguru to make it better, to make it the best wallet scanning bot on the market. And I really like that, guys, and I really do like having access to this group to be able to come in here and find some gems and potential things that I could use to make profit off of. And the cool thing is, this group is just a free bonus for getting the Zelfiguru Premium. What I'm actually going for when I get the Zelfiguru Premium is the unlimited wallet scans. That's the main value for me. This group is a great free thing to have that has a bunch of great value in it. And if you combine both of that between the unlimited wallet scans and having access to this group, I do think the fee is worth it for this. But of course, you're only going to get as much out of it that you put into it. So if you just come in here and you don't actually take time to research and dive through this group, you're not going to get as much value out of it. What I recommend is trying it out for a month, coming in here and actually getting into the nitty-gritty of this and seeing if this actually works for you. And then also just finding your list of wallets. It'll give you that 30 days for unlimited wallet scans. Compile your own list of wallets. I've told you guys that before in other videos, that what you need to do is compile a list of wallets and a ranking system as well. And you can keep ranks on them, have your own list of wallets, and then filter out the best ones that you want to copy trade. And compile your list and do that for the 30 days, and then see at that point if you want to continue with Zelfiguru, if you're getting enough value out of it. So for me, I am getting enough value out of it, so I will continue to utilize it. So that's really it, guys. That's really it for the Zelfiguru Premium section. If you guys like that, hopefully this allows you guys to be more confident in navigating this group and seeing what's in it for you and seeing what potential value you can get out of this group. All right, guys, so let's dive into the Trojan bot here. So since the last video, I've been experimenting with some of their backup bots. And the one that's working the fastest for me is the Odysseus bot. Now, if you look at the Odysseus in the backup section, it might have a red dot next to it. But I will tell you that based on personal experience using it, it's the fastest bot out there as far as when you press buttons, how fast the buttons go. The trades have been going better on this one. So I'm using the Odysseus one, guys, and finding out that it is actually pretty sweet to use. Now, once again, to get to there, you just click on here, you click on backup, and then it lists the backup bots. And you can click on any of these and you can utilize them for your trading. And you're going to get the same settings copied over. You don't have to re-input any settings or anything. It's basically just a mirror bot of the actual main Trojan trading bot. These are just their little mirrors that run on different networks that could be better to utilize. So my positions here, guys, I'm almost up to 3 Sol in my wallet. Started with 1 Sol. I added in a little bit, about 0.3 or so, because I burned a lot of gas early on. So I'm in this for about 1.3 Sol or so. So I have that about here. This is about what I put in to trade with. And you can see that my positions are at 1.5. So I basically created this 1.5 out of thin air, give or take. And these are the active positions. Now, a lot of these positions that we've been accumulating here the last couple weeks is because of this trader here. This is the wallet that I found in one of the early videos where I demoed how to set up a copy trading bot and how to find profitable wallets. This wallet is still continuing to provide for us, guys. So I hope you're still copy trading it. We ran into a little bit of speed bumps there when it was trying to copy trade small pairs because a lot of people are copy trading this wallet. But since they have moved to bigger market cap coins with bigger liquidity, it's been working flawlessly. So I really do appreciate that with this trader, even though they probably have no idea that they're being copy traded. But just the fact that they're still trading and we're still able to copy trade them, it's just truly incredible. So you can see this Michi coin we've been accumulating here. Okay, already taken some nice profit. This is a nice double up in profit, and I'm still sitting on $80 of house money. Okay, 0.64 of house money. You can see that's a 400% increase in Sol right there. Total buys was 7, only sold twice, basically doubled up right there, and then have all that house money there. Absolutely amazing trade there, accumulating that. The next really great one is Char, which is Charizard. This one happened a couple days ago. You can see a total of 6 buys, 2 sells, basically broke even there, so it's all house money. So $58 of house money, about half a Sol profit of house money. Now with Mew, I decided to take some profit because what you can do, guys, because these are kind of long-term trades that this trader's doing, you can decide when you want to take some chips off the table. And I did. So I decided to lock in some profit, not necessarily profit, but basically just break even. So now I'm riding with house money from you. This one's up about 50%, so not bad at all. The Stanley Cup coin's not doing as hot, okay? And we'll go to page 2. I think that's about all we have here. All in Cat, that's another one that this wallet has been accumulating. That one's up 47% in Sol. Okay, just one buy, but you can see that we're still up there as well. El Gato, this one's up 15%, so that's a little profit there. Maniki, this one it just acquired a couple days ago as well. We're about up 10%. So not too shabby all in all, guys, okay? And so I like having this where this trader here that we found on the channel together is basically more of a long-term trader now, where they are accumulating these positions, and in a couple weeks or even just a couple days, they're starting to pump. And that's really helped provide some nice profit here for us, because the other trader that I copy trade is basically an in and out trader where they're getting in and getting out quick. And I just have those two running right now. And then I'm also going to add the third one in that I just found here on the video for a little test run. Because what I found is you don't want to have too many wallets that you copy trade at the same time, because they can actually counteract each other if they're trading some of the same coins. So if one trader buys it and then another trader sells at a different price, it can mess up that whole trade. So you want to try to pick quality over quantity and pick traders and wallets that are trading different coins. Don't get all your same traders from the same deck screener where you're looking at the same profitable traders. You want to find them from different coins, because most likely those are different ones that are finding different coins. So just something to think about there, guys. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. And I'm going to bring up my bot wallet. This is actually my Solplantation wallet. Let me switch that out. For some reason, the wallet, I don't know, it was reading it fine the other day. It was showing the symbol and the value. I don't know if it's a Phantom wallet issue. I don't know if it's a Solana blockchain issue. But for some reason, it's not reading the Solplantation. It does this every other day, where it'll read it one day where it shows the value and the token symbol with the image, and then the next day it'll show it like this. So don't panic, don't FUD, because it's not the real value there. It actually still has its real value. All right, guys, here we go. This is my bot wallet. You can see my Michi there, my char position, my Mew position. So I'm going to copy my bot wallet right here. I'm going to paste it into Zelfiguru, and I'm going to run a scan on my own wallet. Okay, guys? So running that scan, and we'll see the results. Okay, so that scan took a little bit of time because it's pulling a lot of data for the last 30 days here, guys. Okay, but you can see last 10 trades, char. Okay, so this is my wallet, guys. This is my wallet right here. I'm going to scroll back up. You can see the balance, 1.35 Sol. Come over here, 1.34 Sol. So it's just rounding up. But yeah, this is 100% my wallet. Okay, now, last 30 days of profit. You can see that, you know, there's some rough days, guys. There's some down days. But all in all, profit the last 30 days is 1.1 Sol. Now, I don't think this is including held positions. I think this is just tracking where you're trading the coin back to Solana. So I have another 1.5 Sol sitting in my unrealized positions. So if you add that to this, it's actually 2.6 Sol that I've made in 30 days. And then therefore that would change my ROI as well and the win rate. But even still, that's just still awesome, because I've been able to make 1.1 Sol above and beyond what's sitting in my wallet right now. So you can see a lot of these positions are higher than I would like, because I was testing out some traders, you know, in the beginning and trying to find a sweet spot. But we have done better here. And especially I like to see this 9% in the 2 to 5x range. That's really good. Okay. I'd like to see more in here, okay? So we'll slowly get there. But all in all, guys, I am profitable with copy trading. And that's even with tinkering and testing other wallets and using a lot of gas by accident and burning a lot of gas. So I showed you this, guys, to just be fully transparent, to show you guys that this can work and you can put in the time. And I'm not just making this stuff up. This can actually happen. And there's actually real results that you can get with copy trading if you put in the time and the effort and follow the same strategies that I teach you guys on the channel. You can have these same results. And I'm not starting with a very big amount, okay? I started with 1 Sol in here, and it's been growing and growing nicely, and I'm almost up to 3 Sol. So once I'm more confident in this, which I'm getting there to that point, I'm going to start trading with more, and then slowly more and more and more to make more profit. But I want to make sure I know what I'm doing and I find the sweet spot of the bot settings and everything else before I decide to do that. So far, so good the last 30 days, and I really like what I'm seeing. All right, guys, so these are my updated copy trade settings, basically back to the original settings. We have a buy gas of only 0.003. This is for that wallet that I found on the channel. Okay, this one here that bought Char and all those other good ones. Only 0.003, so not too high on gas, pretty low, and it still goes through pretty much every single time. I haven't had any issues lately with this wallet because they've been trading higher market cap pairs. That's really the trick with copy trading. You have much more success when the wallet is trading higher market cap pairs versus the lower market cap pairs. Okay, so this one does completely fine, and only 3% slippage. That's been going through completely fine. Now, if you're trading somebody that's trading more volatile pairs with lower market caps, you're going to want to up this to 40, 50%. I would not go higher than 50%. I've tested it out myself, and it is not profitable to do that. You want to keep it at 50% or less. That's the sweet spot. That's where you want to stay. If the trades aren't being processed, well, then find a different wallet to trade, because you're not going to want to raise it any higher, because it's completely going to wreck you when it goes to trade, because then you're opening yourself up to sandwich attacks from these other MEV bots that can actually take advantage of your high slippage that you are allowing in the transaction, and you will lose money. Okay, I've seen this happen on my own account, where the trader that I was following made money, but because my slippage was so high, I lost money because the MEV bots took advantage of my transaction and did a sandwich attack where they actually traded against my slippage, and I got screwed. And that can happen. That can happen on Solana and on Ethereum. And so that's why if you're using a high slippage, you need to have MEV protection on, because then that'll avoid that happening. But then having the MEV protection on will actually not allow some of the trades to be processed as well. So it's better just to stick with the lower slippage. Trust me, guys, I've tried it all. I went to 100%, I went to 90%, 80%, 60%. It doesn't work. 50% or lower, preferably 40 to 30% is where you want to stay. And that's where I've been able to hit the most profits with that percentage. Okay, so I'm actually going to add in that new wallet that I found here from the Zelfiguru Premium channel. I'm going to press new right here, in case you guys haven't seen how to do this. Okay, now we need to make a name for this wallet. I'm just going to put it for test 10. Target wallet, it is this one over here. Click here, paste the wallet in there. Now, by percentage, you can set up a percentage. I don't recommend it. I recommend setting up a fixed amount, because the percentages could end up wrecking you guys. Okay, so we'll just do 0.05. The buy gas, we'll just 0.003, same as the other copy trader. See if that works. I might need to do higher gas on this because this trader's probably trading higher pairs. So I might want to have a little bit higher gas than that. We're just going to start it at the same settings to see if this works. Okay, so you can see there, those are my settings for this new copy trader we found with the Zelfiguru. And then you press add. And once you press add, you will see them here with a green light. That means it's active. If you want to unactivate them, just click on here, come over here and press to make it deactivated, and it'll be orange. So we'll see how this wallet does, guys, and we'll see if we can make some profit with this from the Zelfiguru Premium channel where we found this wallet. I will also leave this wallet in the description if you guys want to tag along and copy trade it as well. Alright, guys, so here's the giveaway. I have stopped accepting responses now. We got 111 responses, and here it is in a spreadsheet over here. I'm going to hide the people's emails and Solana wallet addresses just because I don't know if they want that shown. And so the 3 secret word answers was, the first word was pump. That one I gave you guys easy in the beginning. The second one was about right in the middle range, was video. And the last one was the toughest one to find. It was right at the very end after I said creative crypto out. I said the secret word. Secret word 3 is out, and then the video ended. So pretty tricky. You had to literally listen to the last second of the video to find it. And so let's see, guys. Some of the people got the answers right. Some of them didn't. Some of them put some funny responses, okay? Like, so I filtered out some of these. Some of this, like this one, should be deleted here. Let's remove this one because they got the last one was fun. They just took a guess there. So we're down to 107. So there's only 4 people that inputted answers that didn't get the right answers. So pretty good, guys. I like that. So you guys are paying attention. You guys are sharp. I like that. I got a sharp audience here. We have basically number 2 through 107. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to come over here to the random picker. We're going to start at 2. We're going to go to 107. So it's going to pick a random number from 2 to 107. We're going to do this 3 times. Okay, I'm opening it up in a different window to have an ad blocker because there's a ton of ads on this site. So it makes it more clean to look at. All right, so we got number 2 to 107, guys. So like I said, first winner is going to be the 0.4 Sol. The next 2 winners are going to win 3.5 million soup tokens each. So good luck to everybody. Thank you for everybody that entered the giveaway. Thank you to all the subscribers. You guys are the reason I do this channel, and you guys are the reason that I'm doing this giveaway, to give my thanks to you. So good luck, and let's see what happens. All right, and the first winner is number 102. Congratulations. So I wrote down 102. I will correlate that with the spreadsheet, and I will send you your 0.4 Sol. Thank you for being a subscriber to this channel. Let's remove him from the field, and we'll spin again. This one is for 3.5 million soup tokens. It could be worth 100x someday from now. Hopefully you continue to hold them. Number 89, congratulations, number 89. 3.5 million soup for you. Let's remove them from the field. And one more time, good luck to the rest of the entrants here. And we'll see who gets the last 3.5 million soup tokens. 69. Oh, there you go. All right. Great number. Great number. Number 69. 3.5 million soup tokens. All right. And for full transparency, I'm going to show the first couple digits of their wallet address just for full transparency, so the winners know that it's 100% legit, that I'm sending out the actual winners that won here. Okay, so 102, they're getting the 0.4 Sol. It is HYKP, it looks like. Okay, next one, 89. 89 is getting 3.5 million soup tokens, GBR. And 69 is also getting 3.5 million soup tokens, E1XO. So congratulations to you 3. Thank you so much for entering the giveaway. I hope you put that Solana and those soup tokens to good use. And I hope to do more giveaways in the future, guys, as this channel continues to grow and I can give back to my community and give back to you guys for making this a great experience here on the channel and helping provide you guys with a great resource here and information and knowledge. And you guys show me the support with your thumbs ups, your subscribes, and your comments. So I want to repay that and show you guys my thanks by doing giveaways. It's because you guys mean a lot to me, and I want to show you guys my thanks and give back to you guys. So if you guys like that, if you guys like this video, if you guys found value in this video, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe for more down below, leave a comment, let me know, did you win the giveaway? Were you one of the winners? Let me know down below. Are you holding Solplantation? Are you holding soup tokens? Did you get in super early? Are you still in profit? Let me know your thoughts below on how we can grow Solplantation together and how we can make this the next 100x meme coin. Let me know how the copy trading is going for you. Let me know how you like the Zelfiguru Premium channel, how you like Zelfiguru in general, how you like the Trojan Trading Copy Bot. How are you making profits here in Solana? I'll be interested to hear about it. Let me know down below. You guys are amazing. I will talk to you guys next video. And until then, take care and take charge. Creative Crypto out.